And now it's coming. Get ready for an unforgettable experience on Saturday, November 16th at 7 p.m. at the Coral Springs Center for the Arts. Join Yole Dérose and an incredible lineup of talented artists as they present a powerful play that proudly showcases the history of our beloved country, helping us to truly understand. Éritage is a collective effort involving more than 40 artists and technicians all coming together to bring Haiti's rich cultural heritage to life. 10 remarkable voices will embody the roles of 10 brave female ancestors who made immense sacrifices in the battle for Haiti's liberation. The cast includes Carole Demesma, Laurence Durand, Béatrice Quebro, Tiffane, Misty Jean, Donald Théodore, Tafami Soleil, Darlene Desca, Fatima, Annie Alert, Riva, and Richelle Guillaume, all reenacting the pivotal roles these women played in building our resilient nation, Haiti. Éritage is the original creation of Yole Dérose in collaboration with Florence Jean-Louis Dupuis for stage and production design. Historical research conducted by Baina Belot. Choreography by Jean-René Dessoin. Éritage, Saturday, November 16, 2024, 7 p.m. at the Coral Springs Center for the Arts. This is the real deal. Tickets available now online or on site of the Coral Springs Center for the Arts. Éritage, don't miss out.